Hey everyone, Happy Dude here, and today we're gonna install this new cooling jacket from Hot Racing because somebody in the comments told me that this rubber jacket right here leaks quite a bit, so that's why there's always so much water in the boat. So we're gonna see if this is any better and if it also cools any better. So we're gonna see how fast the normal jacket can cool down the engine, and we're also gonna see if it leaks with this setup right here. I'm gonna do the test inside because this is a controlled environment. The temperature is always 20 degrees Celsius and there's no wind here. So once there is some water in the tubes, I'm gonna blow in it to create some pressure, because when the boat is in the water at 50-60 kilometers an hour, you also create pressure, and I think that the pressure expands this rubber jacket because, as you can see, it's flexible. So that could be the source of the leak. We're going to see it right here because when the boat is in the water, we cannot see that. And the water is going to be collected right here. So I'm gonna spin the engine for a few minutes until it hits 60 degrees Celsius, and then we're gonna see how fast this jacket can cool it down. And the jacket is 75 Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius. All right, it's 50 degrees Celsius right now. Okay, so it was actually 54 degrees Celsius as you saw, and after just 2 minutes it's already at 42 degrees Celsius or 107 Fahrenheit. And after 5 minutes it's at 28 degrees Celsius. And now we're gonna just loosen up those two screws, take out the engine, then loosen up these two, take the plastic cover off, and then we're gonna install this cooling jacket. So I don't really see any leaks. Those few drops are from disconnecting the jacket. So we are going to test it in the water and see if it's any better with the new jacket. First we put some water on the seal. And then we simply slide it over. Oh, that is very satisfying. Then we line it up. All right, it's in there.
That's what she said.
And we have a nice gap here to install our temperature sensor.
Make sure that the two flat sides are on the left and right side.
Make sure that you install it with the flat sides on the left and right, and with the water plug in the middle on this side, because if you turn it over, it will hit this edge right here. Then we remove this plastic plug and we fit it on here.
Then we tighten this coupler.
Alright, let's see if this cooling jacket can do any better. Alright, let's see the temperature. Oh, almost 60 degrees Celsius, so it's even warmer. Alright, the water is flowing, and I can tell you already that it took a lot longer to warm the engine up with this cooling jacket from Hot Racing. Alright, let's see how warm it is after 2 minutes. Wow, 31.1 degrees Celsius or 87.9 Fahrenheit.
The other jacket was still at 42 degrees Celsius after 2 minutes.
And after 5 minutes, it's... wow, 25.8 degrees Celsius or 78.4 Fahrenheit. That's amazing. Alright, let's test it out. Let's see what comes out. Wow, absolutely nothing. So it actually works.
So it cools better and we don't have any water anymore in the boat. So it's worth the upgrade. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. And you all have a nice day now. Bye!